Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a single project notebook and a master index page that links every major section. Once done, add sections for objectives, timeline, tasks, meeting notes, and resources so everything is discoverable. Make and apply page templates for briefs, meetings, and action items that include fields for due dates and owners. This reduces friction and keeps entries uniform. Make sure to pin the notebook and sync settings so you don't lose changes when collaborating across devices. Next, build a task section and enter every actionable item as a dedicated page or checklist. Use tags for priority, waiting, and done, and add owner initials so responsibility is clear. This supports quick filtering. Once tasks exist, link each task page to the timeline and related meeting notes for context and history. This prevents task isolation. Make sure to embed start and end dates in the page header so you can sort and export a status snapshot when reporting to stakeholders. To finish, perform a weekly review. Update statuses, move completed items to an archive section, and adjust the timeline based on real progress. This closes the loop. Once done, export a status summary to PDF or share a read-only link for stakeholders so communication stays concise. If you run into sync errors, force a sync, verify storage quota, and re-log into your Microsoft account. This usually resolves conflicts. If not, duplicate the affected page into a new page and resync to preserve work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.